Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to be going over the process of adding direct entry to a RES file that is set up for 16 channels, and it just has a sequential list of channels. So I want to start off with creating an empty zone that you're going to put it in. I have one set up for zone 38, and it all starts with filling in the first 16 channels, just like the one that you have already set up. So we're just going to do that real quick. And then I'm going to right click on it and go copy. And now I'm going to go over to the other zone where I'm going to put it in, 38. And now I can come in here and go paste above. And now I have the 16 channels over here to start everything off with. Okay, now the next step is to start adding the other channels with the lowest number first. So if you go back and look at the original zone 8 here and look at all the channels involved, you'll see it goes from 80 to 89 and then 90 to 93. So that's going to be our first batch. We're going to create a new block from 80 to 93 and then cut and paste those channels in there. So we can, while we're here, we can go ahead and grab those first 8. So I'm going to go Control C, and now I'm going to go back to 38. And I'm going to now come down here to the bottom and create a new block. And let me pull it over here so you can see it. And we're going to go 80 to 93. We're going to add those in. Okay, we'll minimize that. Now I can come over here to this one and I can go Control V and put those in. Okay, great. Now let's come over here, and we're going to be putting the next ones into 90. So we can go ahead and get rid of these two right here. Delete and delete. Okay. Make sure that all looks good. Oh, we already, oh, I see. We got 86. We got a gap there. We're missing the 87. So stand by and let me fix that real quick. Okay, I'm back. Sorry I didn't notice when I was looking at the original channels that they skipped 86 and 87. So I had to take those out and scoot the 88 and 89 down to their proper spots. But anyway, we're ready to get back to the standard process. Now we need to get the ones that we have in the 90s. So let's go back to our original donor zone and grab those. And they're down here toward the bottom. There they are. So we got these 4 here. So we're going to go Control C. Now we're going to go back to 38. Come down to 90 and do Control V. Okay, so we got those in, 90, 93. Now let's go ahead and do some house cleaning here while we're here. And we're going to just use our delete key and quickly get rid of all of these extras that were generated by doing the cut and paste. And now we got a clean slate and we're ready to build again. So let's go back up and look at our donor zone. us. Now we got the 80s, we got the 90s, and it looks like the only thing left is after the 90s is the 190s. So we're going to come over here and we're going to select all those, and we're going to go Control C. We're going to go back to our thing in motion, and once again we are going to add a group of channels from 190 to 199. Okay, there they are. Let me minimize that. I should be able to come up here and do Control V, and there they all are in there now. Okay, wonderful. Now once again we're going to come up here and use our delete and clean up the mess. Okay, so now we got our 190s. The only thing that's left are the 200s, so we're going to go back over here, go back up 8 and pull down, and we got the 234, 235, and 240. So we're going to, like that, we're going to go Control C. Now back over for the last drop. All right. Now we're going to add $234 through 240, and I come over here, go Control V, 234, 235. Okay, there's our 240 here. So we're going to go Control down arrow, 1, 2, 3, 4. I hate that the program does it. It doesn't allow you to see it. Now I missed it by over 1, so I got to go back up. Now go back and look again, and now it's in its proper spot. So I can come over here and do some cleanup. Delete, 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 and same over here. Delete, 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 delete. And now I have 234, 235, and just like that, I have now finished. So there you go. I got 1 through 16, just the same as it was in the previous one. And now I have all the rest duplicated so that any direct entries will take you there as well. Okay, that's it. I hope this helps, and we'll talk to you later.